everyone, and welcome back to my beauty space. It's Lara. Today's video is going to be a brand new first impressions and a makeup review on a product that is so viral and is all over TikTok right now. So not only am I going to be giving you guys a little 2-in-1 makeup tutorial on my everyday makeup routine, but I'm also going to be trying out this insane hot new viral TikTok makeup product. All right, I'm not going to leave you guys guessing because you already know what it is from the title. I'm going to be trying out the Clinique Almost Lipstick. This has what has been raging all over TikTok. It is this Almost Lipstick by Clinique, and I have not even tried it yet. I haven't even opened yet because I wanted to swatch it, give you guys a first impression, and try it on camera so that way you guys can see my reaction and if I love it or not. This is the Black Honey Almost Lipstick. It's that lipstick that goes on and the color of it is black in the tube, but then whenever it goes on your lips is like this beautiful freaking, I love those types of colors, so I cannot wait to try it out today. Like I said, it is going to be a little 2-in-1, so I will be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine and then we will be seeing this bad boy. So if you guys are interested in this video and you want to see my review and my first impressions, then please keep watching. All right, so to go in, I'm first going to be using my all-time favorite primer of life. This is the NYX Marshmallow Pore Filling Smoothing Primer. Now, this is a very drugstore, very affordable product, and I love it because not only does it smell so sweet, but I feel like it generally makes me look so much better. My makeup lays so nicely on top of my skin whenever I use this. So I really love this primer because it just goes with every foundation that I have. There is no foundation that does not work well with this primer. This primer is so great. It has marshmallow root, it's affordable. I do have oily combination skin, and this makes my makeup look so natural all day. I'm absolutely in love with it, and ever since I tried it on my YouTube channel, I did do a first impressions trying this out, and I've mentioned it so many times on my channel. This is something that everyone should pick up if you're a makeup lover, if you're a newbie at makeup, or if you're already advanced and you post makeup videos yourself, or if you just love wearing makeup every day. I highly recommend this primer. Next, I'm going to go in with my foundation. The two foundations I've been loving are the La Mer Soft Fluid Foundation. This is so expensive. And then my other favorite one is the, do you guys hear my dogs? As I was saying, I absolutely love this Rare Beauty foundation because it's the type of foundation that you do have to shake it up because it's very liquidy and oily. Not in a gross way, but it's just a very liquidy foundation. So before you try it, you have to do what I'm doing and you have to shake it up because you want it to actually have like a thicker consistency and go on nicely on your face. So I really love this because this is the type of foundation that you're about to see how natural it looks, how little I need to put this product on my face, and you're just gonna see how much it evens out my skin tone. It is $29. It's my absolute favorite foundation probably of all time. I like this foundation a little bit more than I like the La Mer foundation, just because this just makes my skin look juicy and natural and hydrated, and overall it looks like my skin. For some reason I feel like this is a little bit more foundation-y while this one is more serum-y. It's more moisturizing. So you're about to see, I'm gonna go 1 and 2 and then that's it for my whole face. You're about to see how much this is going to cover my skin. I'm going to go in with my Blendiful and I'm gonna go in on the clean side and watch how nicely it just spreads all over my face. I'm gonna take it up on my forehead as well, just because Rare Beauty, I've noticed, even with their concealer, especially the foundation, you just need a little bit. You could go in with dots all over your face, you could go in with swipes, you could put on your forehead, your nose, your chin, and your cheeks. But for me personally, I've noticed that 2 swipes on both of my cheeks is enough to cover my whole face. And again, that's why I love it, because a little goes such a long way. Look, it already covered up my entire face. I'm obsessed. I even take a little bit underneath of my eyes, so that way I have a little bit extra coverage, so that way it's not the concealer that's doing all of the work. Plus, I am about to go in with the Rare Beauty concealer as well. So I feel like going in with 2 products from the same brand on the face is just gonna make it work so beautifully on your skin, and they're just gonna mesh together so nicely. All right, now that we are done with the foundation, let's go in with some Rare Beauty concealer. I forgot to mention my shade in the Rare Beauty foundation. I'm in the shade 360W, and in the concealer, I'm in the shade 310W. So it's the same undertone, it's just a little bit lighter. So what I do is I just go like this. Almost nothing under my eyes. I don't do the whole triangle thing that I used to do in my videos. I feel like I absolutely love not only the way I feel whenever I use just a little bit of makeup, but I love the fact that I am using a little bit of makeup. I'm not going overboard. I'm not trying to look like a completely different person. I'm not trying to cover up my skin entirely. You guys saw that you can still see my imperfections. It doesn't look like I'm really wearing anything on my face, but my face just looks more even and a little bit more enhanced. I'm not trying to have a mask and cake face all over my face. I don't want full coverage. So that's why I feel like going in with less is just so much better. Not only for your skin, but I feel like for me personally, I feel so much more beautiful whenever I go in with less, because it makes me appreciate my skin even more. It makes me feel more beautiful to the point where I feel prettier whenever I wear the little bit of makeup, but I also feel beautiful if I'm not wearing any makeup at all on my face. So that's why I really love this type of minimalism that I've been doing for the last couple of months with my makeup routine. I'm just gonna take whatever's left over on my blendiful, and I'm going to put it on any high points of my face, just so that way I can have a little bit of evenness going on my face, so it's not just my under eyes that are super bright. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty liquid blush. This is in the shade Joy. It's my favorite liquid blush ever. It's my favorite blush of all time. I feel like I can wear this with no makeup, with makeup. You're gonna see how little I put on my face. I just put one dot because this is super, super pigmented. And I remember whenever I filmed my Rare Beauty first impressions, I put on way too much and I look like a clown. I will link that video down below in my description box if you guys want to see that. Oh my god, it was such a mess, but I absolutely love the shade Joy because for my tan, dark skin, it just looks very natural. It's basically a shade that my skin would naturally have if I was sunburned or if I was blushing. It's peachy, it's pink, it's a little bit red, and it's just so beautiful. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose because you guys know blush is one of my favorite parts of my makeup routine, and I just could not go without blush in my makeup. I love it so much. Not to mention, this Tati Beauty Blendiful is perfect for all types of makeup. I have used this in so many of my videos, especially during the beginning of quarantine in 2020. I was using this in almost every single video for my makeup routine, you guys. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to take the same side of the Blendiful that I did my concealer and my foundation, and I'm gonna take that side and I'm gonna go over the blush, so that way it doesn't look like, oh, blush. Like, I want it to look natural and I want it to be seamless. So there we go. So far, that is my face, and I'm not gonna wear any mascara, any whatever. Like, this is it. It's time for the real star of today's video. Now I'm going to be reviewing the Clinique Almost lipstick. Let's take it out of the packaging because I'm very excited. And this is in the shade Black Honey. I don't know if you guys can tell, but let's open it up. This is what it is. So here we go. That is nearly black. The ingredients in here says that it has castor seed oil, which is really, really nice. It's actually the first ingredient, which means that's the main ingredient in here. It's allergy tested, 100% fragrance free, and that is just amazing. You guys, let's go ahead and try this. Wow. I feel like I just want to keep going. This is beautiful. This does not feel like a lipstick, first of all. This feels like a lip balm, like a super moisturizing, sexy lip balm. Oh my god, it feels so high quality. I love this. It looks so, so natural. Wow. Do you guys see that little shine that it gives me? It feels like I'm wearing a lip balm. And not only that, but it gave me a beautiful color. Oh my god. It's like another enhanced version of my natural lipstick. I mean, of my natural lips. I love that. Okay, let's see what it looks like if I put on a little bit more, because I am pretty heavy-handed with my lipsticks. Yeah, the more I go in, the more color it's giving me for sure. Like, I could just go on forever and it won't look too much. And this is in the shade 06 Black Honey. Go in your local Ulta and you'll find it. It says cult favorite because everyone's freaking buying it. Wow, I love this. I love this. Everyone please go to your local Ulta and try out this freaking Almost lipstick. It's beautiful. It's almost like a Your Lips but better type of shade. I really like it, and it goes so well with my makeup. It looks so natural. Looks like I'm just wearing a lip balm. with a little beautiful color. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this video. I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. I really like it. It's such a simple, simplistic product. Like, it's not supposed to change your life or anything, but it was viral and it was going all over TikTok. Even my sister bought it and she was like, Lara, I love this. I was like, okay, I'm going to Ulta right now, just chill. So I got it yesterday and I'm so happy that I filmed my review today because this is the first time that I've tried it. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little 2-in-1 type of video where it's like my everyday makeup routine, simple minimalism makeup, and then a little review and first impressions try on. Anyways, that is it for today's video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please leave me some video requests down below in the description box, and don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. So I don't have anything left to say. That's it for me right now, and I will see you all super soon in my next video. Bye guys.